Dear students, in this episode, that is 15th episode, let us consider the first exercise of chapter number 14, that is 14.1. There are several questions, that means 9 questions in this exercise. All the questions be same. Therefore, first question and third question we discuss in this episode. All other questions are for your homework because all questions are same type. We can find out arithmetic mean of each question. Then first question is find mean number of plants per house. Number of plants be given and also number of houses. Therefore, number of plants means it is the class and the number of houses it is F. Therefore, answer is class. That is 0 to 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 4. Then F, that is the frequency 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. Then this is looped frequency distribution. Therefore, variable x it is the midpoint of each classes. That is x. That is class interval is 2. 0 plus 2. 2 by 2. That is 1. Then 6 by 2, 3. That means adding 2's. Then 5. Then 7. Then 9. Then 11. Then 30. Then we can find out the product of f and x. That is f into x. Therefore, midpoint of each classes be the variable x. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 3 is 6, 1 into 5 5, 5 into 7 35, 9 into 6 54, 11 into 2 22, 30 into 3 39. Then the sum of frequency and the sum of this. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 5 15, 20. Then yes, it is on 62. And the sum of the frequency is n. Therefore, sigma fx is equal to 162. N is equal to sigma f is equal to 20. Therefore, mean x bar is equal to sigma infinity x by capital N. That is equal to 162 by 20 is equal to 8 2s are 16. Then 1 by 10 means it is 8. Therefore, mean number of plants per house is equal to 8.2. That is the answer. Similarly, second question is same type to that one. Therefore, first of all, we can consider class first, then frequency, then the midpoint of each classes, then f into x, then sum of f into x, and also sum of frequency. X bar is sigma f into x divided by capital N, capital N is the sum of the frequency. Then second question, homework. Question number 2, homework. Then question number 3. average allowances or mean allowances. Is rupees 80. Find missing frequency. Daily allowance. Here the 30 into 15, 15 into 17, 17 into 19, 19 into 21, 21 to 23, 23 to 30. The number of children. Seven, 6, 9, 13. Yeah, that is missing. 5, 4. Okay. Then answer is class 11, 13, 13, 15, 15, 17, 17, 20, 19, 19, 21, 21, 23, 23, 25. Then frequency, that is 7, 6, 9, 30, then F, then 5, then 4. Then F into, sorry, X, that is 100 point. That is 30 plus then 23, 24 by 2, 12. That is 12, then 14, then 15, then 18, then 20, then 22, and 24. Then F in yes. 7 into 12, 84. Then F into 20, that is 20 F. 24. Then take the sum of these two. That is 6. Plus 20. Forty-four plus 12. Yes, sir. Therefore, x bar is given, which is equal to 80. Then what is x bar? Sigma f into x divided by capital F. This is capital F. That is x bar. 18 is equal to sigma f into x. 753 plus 20f by 44 plus f. Cross multiplication. 18 into 44 plus f is equal to 753 plus 20f. That is 792 plus 18f is equal to 753 plus 20f. That is 792 minus 753 is equal to 20f minus 18f. That means 2f is equal to therefore f is equal to 39 by 2 is equal to 19.5. That is the answer. Therefore, missing frequency is equal to 19.5. That is the answer. Then all other questions, there are 2 questions we done. There are 9 questions. Therefore, all other questions same as like these 2 questions. Therefore, the 2 questions are homework. Then exercise 14.2. Find mean and mode. Associate age 5 to 15, 50 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. Number of patients. 6, then 11, then 21, then 23, then 14, then 5. Find the mean and the mode. Therefore, answer is false. Okay. 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. Then now 6, 11, 21, 23, 40. Then to find out the let us transform midpoint. Yes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Then F in DS 60, 220, 0, and 1, okay. Then sum. 6 1 7, 7 1 8, 8 3 12, 8. Then sum 0. Then x bar is equal to what is sigma of x by n is equal to 2830 by 80. No, it doesn't matter. Yes, it doesn't matter. N answer system Yes. 35.35. Then we know that the highest frequency, it is 23. This is the highest frequency 23. Therefore, model class. Class with the highest frequency, that is 35 to 45. Clear? Then, what is L? L is equal to log into 25. F0, 21. F1 is equal to 23. F2 is equal to 40. H is equal to difference between these two. 45 minus 35 10. Then mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into X is equal to L 35 plus F1 23 minus F0 21 by 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 40 into X. That is equal to 35 plus 33 minus 21 is 2. 2 into 10. Right. 33 into 46. Volume answer. by 11. So equal to 35 plus 20 by 11. The 1.81 is equal to 36.8. That means mode is greater than mean. This is the answer. Then question number 6, find the mode of the data. Find the mode. Then question number 6. That is first are the 6 questions done. All of questions for homework. Class 0, 10, 10, 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Then frequency 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 58. Okay. Then for find out the mode, there is no calculation from the table. The answer is highest frequency 20. Therefore, modern class is frequency of modern class is 20. F2, downward, that is 11. H, class interval 10. Therefore, mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into X is equal to L, that is 40 plus F1 20 minus F0 12 by 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 into 10, that is equal to 40 plus 20 minus 12 8 into 10 divided by 40 and 23 by 70 is equal to 40 plus 80 by 70. Yes, 190, 7. That is equal to 40 plus 4.7 is equal to 44.7. That is the arithmetic mean. Sorry, that is mod. Okay. Therefore, all other questions of exercise 14.2 same as mod, that is for your homework. Then the remaining exercise will in the next episode. Okay.